Okay, so we're going to go in now and we need to reprint some labels for the product that we've just entered. Let's say when we've done re-entry and we've put the wrong amount of labels that we needed, so this is how we add those. So let's go into Warehouse. And of course, what we want to do is we want to go into Inventory Trolleys. And you find the position number that you want to print the label for. So let's say we go trolley 20. What you can do is you can actually click edit on that item, and in here you go and adjust the number of labels that you want, and then you hit print label, and that way you'll spit out the number of labels for the item that you need. Quite simple. Okay, so how do you work out what pictures you've taken and what pictures are needed once you've manipulated your stock? Now remember, when you're doing re-entry, you can always delete a picture if you go, yeah, that just doesn't look like what I'm looking at in front of me. Of course, that's housed in Warehouse because it's where we handle everything to do with stock. So go into the Warehouse. Currently on this view, the pictures is here on the right-hand side on the screen, but pictures also lives over in the sub-menu over here on the left. So once you click pictures, have a look at the menu that opens over here. Pictures sits under the inventory, so if you need to find it, that's where it is. Now at the moment, there's 5 pictures in the catalog we can automatically set to the product. So again, we're going to click Get Catalog Picture. That starts the process and inserts all the pictures that we can pull out of the catalog for stuff that's been entered and needed a picture inserted. And now, to print the list that gives us the list of inventory without photos, we simply just wait for these message bubbles so you can actually just keep working. Click on inventory without photos. You can select the printer you want and then press print. Now show preview and PDF. Let's just have a look for the sake of this video. Here are the items that we currently have that need a photo. So that also tells you what trolley number you've got to go to, the position, and the product that needs a photo. Now here, trolley position 600 is arriving, so obviously it looks like this stuff has yet to come in, but it needs a photo when it gets here, so that's also good to know. And that's how you select what needs a picture.